Hi, it's Ripple Wu
and Andy Zhang from McGrath Box Hill.
Welcome number 13 Selwyn Street in the leafy Blackburn. Here you're surrounded with safety, security, and also quality.
Being so close to Blackburn Square and all the cafes in the area has never looked so good. Super excited to show you through. Forget all about school pickups and drop-offs. You have Old Orchard Primary, Blackburn High and Box Hill High just a stone's throw away. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a double garage with 3 bedrooms, including a master situated upstairs, as well as a master and a bathroom downstairs for your convenience. Ripple, this one certainly sets the bar high for me as far as new quality builds go. Please keep my wife's eyes away from this one, as I believe this one will absolutely take off.
I'm totally impressed. They can easily for a family to enjoy, settle in. I'm looking forward to meeting you.
See you soon.